Hey guys, so today we are going to be taking off the front windshield now, mainly because she's off today. It's Labor Day and I need 2 people in order to get the windows off, and then tomorrow I can start probably drilling the pinch welds all around the metal roof and prying it and maybe getting it off so that maybe I could start painting either tomorrow or after tomorrow. But before I continue with anything, tomorrow is the SEMA competition, and it starts tomorrow at 12 p.m. which is noon in my time, Eastern American time, so that's my time. You could just type EDT on Google and it'll tell you what time it is, but you basically just have to log in with a Facebook account and vote, and you can vote once a day. And I think the first week stage is to eliminate, I think there's something like 2,000 people I was looking, because there was like 168 pages it said of the competitors, and there's roughly like 8 to 10 cars per page, so yeah, 1,500 and 1,700 people competing. And the first week, which I think goes to the 10th, it's going to be the 4th tomorrow, that's when it starts, eliminates all of that down to the top 64, and then the next week top 32, top 16, top 8, top 4, and then the top 2 go to SEMA, and that ends on October 15th. So I'll be posting a video probably tomorrow at 12 to remind you guys, and I'll probably be posting stuff every day to remind people on my Instagram and on my YouTube. But if you guys don't have a Facebook account, I mean, just make one for the competition. It's pretty easy to make one, and you actually need to have a Facebook account in order to log in and be able to vote with it. So it's per day, every 24 hours. The good thing about this is it actually shows the votes on the website, and it shows who's in the lead, which is a much better system, because then I can actually have an idea if I'll even win or anything like that. But now back to the car. I have to take off the both wipers, and I have to take off that cowl because that'll be in the way of the bottom windshield seal. But I think we should be able to get this done pretty quickly now.
I hope so.
Because we have the wire thing, so basically we just have to poke a hole, probably through the bottom it seems, from the inside out, and then just pull the string through, and then, or not the string, it's like a metal wire, and then just do it all around. The wire might snap a couple of times, but we have plenty of it, and that should be really it. Here, like, you want to like wiggle it back and forth, like up and down like that while I put this. Yeah, that's really. Yeah, kind of like that. There we go, you see?
Yeah.
Make sure that little piece doesn't come out.
Oh, jeez.
2 inches, sorry. Yeah, like that. Okay, I should have done that. Now I'm pretty sure I could probably stab that thing, since there is no dashboard. I could just stab it through there, and we could just start like that. I have to get the molding out first.
Yeah.
This is all going to be replaced as well. But for H2, I might just smack, since it won't be painted or anything, I might just smack this windshield back on. Oh god.
Yeah.
Molds. So this is the cowl. As you can see, it's like the rubber's so old, everything's just coming off. Luckily, from brand new from BMW, you can buy this for like $70. So I do intend to get a new one. So that's fine. As you saw, I took off the windshield molding. I don't know about H2O. I might not get like brand new glass installed, because the whole point of like painting is I want to do this paint job with like the glass out, so all the little jams get painted. And then, you know, like even right now, you can see now that in all the jams, you can see where I taped off to avoid spraying the molding, because obviously I was lazy with the last paint job. I didn't fully take off glass or molding or anything. This time I wanted it like, you know, professional level. So for H2, I might actually be putting this cracked one back on, just like putting a bead of silicone on and just slamming it on there. I am doing the Lexan quarter and Lexan rear windows. So, but that's just for H2, like I said, for SEMA. I'm probably just going to come home, pull this back off again, and then paint it, or whatever is going to have to be done. You don't have to actually make it close, it's fine. It's not connected to anything, so it doesn't really matter. we got the front windshield off. It's actually pretty easy-ish, I guess. Sweaty, but pretty easy. So now I can get like all these pieces of the cage, because there's literally no way you can spray something like this with glass right here. So I'll be able to get those, and then now that the glass is off, I can clear coat it too. I'm probably tomorrow gonna take these off, these quarters off, because I can do these by myself, but I'm pretty sure it's just a motor in the back that holds it, because this whole window comes out. So I don't think it's sealed all the way around, but there's probably like hinges over here that hold it. And in the back it's just the motor. And I can just fully take this out, and then I can actually start doing crap.
I'm sponsored by GTR Fiberworks.
Me too. Used to be. But now I can start drilling the pinch welds, which are, there's a ton right here on this edge. There's a ton under this poppable little trim piece on both sides, and then where the back window used to sit, and then I can, like I said, start chiseling away the metal. So short video today, or at least simple kind of ish, but now we can move on to the bigger stuff that needs to be done. And like I said, just remember that tomorrow voting, and yeah, let's get this stupid car to SEMA. So I'm trying to get it to H2O first. And the 3D model guy, he also redid a whole like poly. He redid the whole poly thing of the kit, so it's like HD now, like I said. And it looks really great. And now I'm just waiting. I guess the CNC guy goes back to work tomorrow since it's Labor Day and it's Monday and it's off. So, so yeah, that's gonna be it. And also on top of that, I'm in communication with a really good shop, BMW shop, like a race shop, that is probably going to be sponsoring this car, and they make a lot of useful parts for racing, and Lexan windows and shifters and control arm kits and all that crap, so things are going good.